Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the steps to set Google as your default search engine in Google Chrome on your iPhone. This process is simple and quick, but it's essential for getting the most out of your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open the Chrome browser on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top of the screen where the address bar is located. Right next to the address bar, you'll see a triple dot menu icon. Tap on this icon to access more options. In the menu that appears, you'll see various options for managing your browser settings. Scroll down until you find the settings option and tap on it. This will take you to a new menu where you can adjust various aspects of your browsing experience. Next, find the search engine option within the settings menu and select it. You'll see a list of available search engines that you can set as your default. Typically, this list includes Google, Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. Even though our goal is to set Google as the default search engine, let's go through the process of selecting a different engine first. Choose any search engine other than Google from the list. This step is important because it ensures that any previous settings are reset, making the final step more effective. After selecting a different search engine, confirm your choice. Now repeat the process by going back to the search engine option in the settings menu. This time select Google from the list. By doing this, you are ensuring that Google is now set as your default search engine in Chrome. This adjustment helps tailor your search results to your preferences and regional usage trends, ensuring that you get the most relevant information when you search. And there you have it. You've successfully set Google as your default search engine in Google Chrome on your iPhone. This simple change can significantly enhance your browsing experience, making it easier to find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Foxtecc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content.